Hello there everyone, welcome to a new video, and today we're gonna torment myself today with Solaris. Yes. Oh, it's 32 bits, so it shouldn't be that problematic, right? We're just gonna skip the long waiting times. So 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. Yep, we're seeing progress. I'm going to wait 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, a 2, a 1, a 0, a -1, a -5, a -3, a -4, a -2. Missed it. Whoa. I think it's happening. We got video. Okay, so one of the main issues that I was having is that Sun would just crash. It would just give me a window, and then I'm not able to install. So if that happens, we're just gonna call it quits, and yeah. So this is much better network. Yeah, that's fine if we didn't hit network. That would be actually much smarter. Uh, all right, let's start. Let's start the install. Yep. You must also manual. Okay. Can someone tell me how server boots work? Like how that function? Just gotta have these. Shit. Hopefully, I don't have any nose bleeds or nose running. That'll be fun. Here we are! We're installing Sun Microsystem Solaris. I could have gone with a much more modern system, but hey, we're tormenting ourselves. And if this goes on for like more than 10 minutes, that means I get more views. The longer the video is, the more hours I can actually watch. Like, isn't that cool? There's like that. You know, I might as well just leave the whole entire thing without cutting that silence, because imagine if I just somehow, like, need to reference a video. Like, yeah, sure, silence. But also I could say, timestamp install. Because there is a little uh there's a little transcript. That's what I was saying. And I have a cat now. That's fun. I don't hate you, Master Chief. It's just that, yeah. That's my alarm, and now it is time for me to take out my dog. Take out my dog for a walk. I will now be pausing it, and I will be leaving this open for the thing to run. So, a 5, a 4, a 5, 4, 3, 2. What did I promise? Let me just, a fault in the, okay. A fault has occurred, causing the, or, I'm just gonna use my finger. A fault has occurred, causing a virtual CPU to enter the shutdown state. If this fault had occurred outside of the virtual machine, it would have to cause the physical machine to restart, meaning probably the host. Or probably like if this was in that. But apparently, it also states that the shutdown state can be reached by incorrectly configuring the virtual machine, a bug in the guest operating system, or a problem in VMware Workstation. Click OK to restart the virtual machine or to cancel the power off the machine. We're gonna. Okay. And now we are just going to hit OK. Fail safe. Let's go touch that. Seems like that's for. Do you wish to automatically update boot archives? Yes. Start. 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 How hard is it to say start X? X start. Or start. Fun! Alright, we're gonna hit control shut down. Is it delete? Wait. Alright, we're gonna restart. Again. What? Just. Yep, it happened again. We're actually gonna do it again. Hmm. I guess it just has a stroke here. Why is it doing that? I thought you what? Okay. You know, let's go ahead and reboot because maybe we can find some hope in here. That's not good. That's a secondary slave. Something is odd. So sad. So sad. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna call it quits so that we don't lose our minds and I can install this on the same day I upload this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to dear God someone gives me an answer. Peace.